What's going on, YouTube? We are back with another unboxing with your boy Champ CB7. Alright, so today I've been thinking about this for a long time. I've been thinking about, when am I getting another hard drive, right? The reason why I say that is because I have about 3 hard drives. They got terabytes, right? I'm talking 5 terabyte, another 5 terabyte, another 5 terabyte, 15 total terabytes, and we are all full. We are full. We need more storage. I was like, you know what? They gotta have more than 5 terabytes, right? 10 terabytes, 16 terabytes, 20 terabytes. I was like, you know what? Let's go big 24. Kobe. So what we wound up doing is we got the same exact company. We use the same exact company. All right, Seagate, because that's what we got. We got the 5 terabyte Seagate hard drive. We got another one, and this one right here, 24 terabyte to HDD. All right, so this right here, this is what I'm talking about. Expansion, external hard drive for PC and Mac. I'm excited for this, man. I am excited for this. All right, so let's open it. Let's open it. It's been a while, man. I've been wanting to get a hard drive for a long time. My stuff is full. My computers are full. When I do content, I need space. When I take pictures and videos, which I do on a daily basis, I need space, right? So this right here is gonna help us out tremendously. 24 terabyte, are you kidding me? Oh yeah, oh yeah. And they said it was gonna take a little bit, a little bit of time before they ship it. But they shipped it almost ASAP. I was like, okay, I see y'all. I see y'all. Hey, under promise, over deliver. I like that. I like that. All right, so y'all know this is how we be unboxing it. All right, so take this like that. Wow. Now, I will say, since it's 24 terabyte, it's gonna be way bigger than our 5 terabyte hard drive. For comparison, I'm gonna go grab the 5 terabyte hard drive so you can see. This right here, 5 terabyte. Look at this beast. Look at this beast. Oh my goodness, this is like, this thing got its own cords and everything. Oh my goodness. Bro, let's look at this. Here we go. We got a little booklet. Got a little booklet right here. And here we go. Oh my goodness, this thing has like a fan on it and everything in the back. But yo, you see this? Seagate? We rock with it. We rocking with it. The baby and the big, massive one. Oh yeah. See, I got 3 of these. 15 terabytes. I ain't ever had no 24 before. It just feels like it's a different product. It's like, what is this? What is this device? You're telling me that this is a hard drive? Bruh, This look like a little Wii, or I don't know, bro. It's very compact. I can't even say compact. This thing is huge. It's massive. It definitely got some ventilation in this mug, because you got airflow right there. You got airflow right there. You got a lot of airflow back here. You ain't got none right here, but that's all right, because this can be like the front. Like this right here, that's the front. That's the front. You got the back with the cords, you got the back with the cords, right? So this is where you plug it in, right here. You got the port right there that goes into the computer. It looks like this goes into the wall. How big this thing is, Jesus. Oh, this thing can stand up. It stands up like this because you got the rubber feet at the bottom, so you can stand it up. That's why you need the air ventilation right here at the bottom and at the top in the back. I get it. Yeah, so it's supposed to stand up like this. For me, I might have mine laying down. I might have mine laying like this though. Yeah, I'm gonna have mine laying down like this. But let's see, because we got another little box in here that we gotta see what this thing talking about. Pretty sure we got some type of cord, a wall adapter or something. All right, so we got the, yep, this plugs directly to the back of it. It plugs directly to the back. Oh, right here. This plugs right to the back. And then the other one is USB A. Looks like 2.0, 3.0. The blue, the 3.0. Okay, so this can go in different outlets and stuff. So this is like the, you know, for different countries. This is a good international hard drive. Like with this right here, it comes like this, where you gotta push and release this just so you can get to this point. Just so you can get to this point. And you got a lot to choose from. I'm personally about to choose this one right here because, you know, that's what we got here in America. Just by looking at it. But let me look more in detail. So maybe we have a couple of these. Okay, so we got a couple of the same ones. Yeah. Yep. Yep, that's it. So we got two of these. It came with two of these bad boys. And some other ones as well. So we're gonna choose one of these. And we're gonna do the same thing. Put that arrow down. Now I'm trying to figure out how to put this thing up in here for real. Okay, alright. So you go like this. It's different. Nah. The arrow says go down. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Now we talking. Now we're talking. Alright. So, you know, that's what we got. That's what we got. We got some good old 24 terabyte hard drive, you feel me? We getting our hands all moisturized. Getting ready to plug this bad boy up. See how well it does. It's gonna be able to hold a whole bunch of content, a whole bunch of storage. And I'm excited for it. Alright, make sure y'all hit that like, subscribe, and turn the notifications on. It's your boy Champ CB7, and we out this mug. Peace.